Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. In this collection you see the beautiful flower plant ideas for your garden. All designs and all collection and all creativity are unique and most beautiful. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please guys watch, like and comment my YouTube videos. My YouTube videos provide you the data of decoration, how to decorate your home, how to decorate your wall, the creativity, the designs and the beautiful ideas. So guys, if you are interested in this type of videos that is all relevant to the home decor designs, garden decor designs, then you are on the right place. Beautiful creativity, beautiful designs, and I hope you enjoy my videos. The collection, the ideas are so beautiful. Flower plants designs and the creativity are so unique. I hope you enjoy the videos that upload on my YouTube channel on daily basis. Guys, don't miss the chance, because garden decoration is a part of your home decoration, and garden is a place where you spend your quality time with your friends, family, relatives and close colleagues. If your garden is very beautiful, you feel very happy, delight and feel the sense of security, because the decoration is so important. Without decoration your house is so incomplete. In this collection you see the beautiful flower plants designs, that is hanging ideas, as well as the beautiful flower pot designs, the tire, how to recycle the useless tires, and the beautiful garden decorations with the people artwork designs. Looks so amazing, looks so stylish, and I hope this video, these designs are so creative for you, because plants are very important in every human person, because it's a feels of sense of security, as well as it decrease the sense of anxiety, depressions, and if you are creative and if you are plants lovers, flowers lovers, then this collection is for you. I hope this channel, my YouTube channel, provide you the variety of collection and the variety of data that upload on my YouTube channel, and the creativity. Use different LED lights that enhance the beauty of your garden, and the garden decorations is very beautiful, creative. Different flowers, plants like pink and green combination is so attractive, that you see in this picture. Thank you so much guys to watching my YouTube videos and to sharing my channel. Like my YouTube channel, share my data with your close relative and friends. Check my playlist related to the garden decoration ideas. Enhance your knowledge about the garden decoration.